I make my chilaquiles. The ingredients that you're going to need are, you're going to use these kinds of chiles. I don't know what they're called, but I think they're called chile ancho, 6, 7, 8. And the reason being is because I like the salsa to be very, very nice and red. And of course, you're going to use some ajos and some tortillas. The thing you're going to use is you're going to go ahead and start putting these chiles in here in water. Make sure it boils. Pan right here. You're gonna turn it on. You're gonna put lots of aceite. Preheat. You're gonna come over here and you're gonna start cutting your tortillas. It's a plate, and I'm going to use 2 paper towels for the tortillas. This heat are hot now. I'm gonna start putting my tortillas y se van a dorar. Okay, so now the chiles are nice and cooked, and they should look something like this. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna put this juice, you're gonna put it in the blender. This, I like to put water in here, and you're gonna take out the seeds that are inside the chiles. Okay, now you're gonna put in onions. I'm going to put a whole bunch of onion in there, and garlics, salt. With the strainer, whatever this is called, you're gonna put it here. You're gonna add more water. You guys can see my tortillas already are doraditas right here. Got some onions, and I'm gonna las voy a dorar. Okay, now that the onions ya están doradas, I'm going to go ahead and add my salsa in here. And I'm going to let it boil in there for like 5 minutes or so. As you can see, the salsa is already boiled up. So what I'm gonna do is I like to add little by little tortillas in the sauce. Like this. Wait a minute or so. Okay, and then I take out las tortillas. I like them to be crunchy. Right here, and I'm going to use this cotija cheese. I have it over here. And that's it, you guys, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this easy recipe that I like to do here at home, my chilaquiles. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and until next time, bye.